to MSPFD donors who lent us their helping hand to both this society and Ahmed Shafiq Foundation for Science. Their financial support was vital to stand up again. We ask society members, delegates, and contributors to support their society more and more in order to keep the Congress matter easier for our next meeting on 2015. To conclude from all of this, we wish all attendants a good time at this Congress, and we assure you that there will be enough opportunities in the program for everybody to improve his skills and improve specialty. Thank you for your attention. May I give Professor Olfat El-Sbai, the honorary president of the meeting, the word.
Quite obvious that even in the Egypt of today, the productive capacities keep manifesting itself. I think this is especially true for the medical issues, because human nature will always try to, with all means, to defend itself against the attacks of threatening alignments. For our Congress, we have prepared a rather compressed program with a wide thematic distribution on many subjects for every participant to select what they are most interested in. We will come across papers constituting updates of publications by Professor Ahmed Shafiq, which we have thoroughly revised on the basis of recent advances and developments and tools. Personally, I am always overwhelmed to observe the variations of means and approaches of modern technology that makes matters so much easier to present a generation of students and doctors and to achieve their goals. But at the time, when I look at the other side of the coin, I tend to believe that the same famous technology may be the reason behind the slow and rather unnoticeable decline of human feelings in dealing between people. The more technology, the less understanding of who's troubling fellow creatures. What else could we expect if palpation is replaced by instruments and apparatuses? Not unlike our previous Mediterranean Society of Pelvic Floor Disorders congresses and our monthly Ahmed Shafiq Hospital Symposia, in which usually attached surgical sessions are catching the undivided attention of the audience. Also, the practical part of our Saturday program called Live Surgery and Interact broadcast will find your undivided interest. And with all means, mind you, the famous technology will make the whole thing into lively questions and answers session, and I'm certainly you will be anxiously waiting to ask your question during the operation. Thank you for your attention, and I wish you a great stay in Cairo and a pleasant time at this year's MSPFD Congress.
Ali Shafiq and Professor Ismail Shafiq, ladies and gentlemen, I bring you greetings from fellow American surgeons and the International Society of University Colon Rectal Surgeons. This is my third visit to Cairo, to Egypt, and that's where I befriended our friend, Professor Ahmed Shafiq, whose soul, whose spirit is looming large in this auditorium. If you have not met Professor Ahmed Shafiq personally, you missed a giant in colon rectal surgery in this region, all of Middle East, and certainly around the world. And I hope he's smiling down at his family that they're continuing the tradition. The Shafiqs are friends. Professor Olfat and Professor Ahmad, they came to Allentown, Pennsylvania as my guests, my home, and they have reciprocated, and I'm honored. As Professor Shafiq has put colon rectal surgery on the map, ours is a young specialty, a growing specialty, and it needs a lot of nurturing. It needs people like yourself around here who have created interest in the specialty to be able to make.
Today, I would like to talk about the philosophy of this conference. As Dr. Shafiq, Professor Shafiq, he learned us about the importance of science in our life and how we interact the knowledge between our different races and countries. Despite of our different background, essentially origin, knowledge, and beliefs we are speech one universal language is the science. We all share one significant goals, spreading knowledge and science, and of course, benefiting people with our science and knowledge. Medical research are conducting to help and support the development body of knowledge in the field of medicine. We as scientists have spent years of our life working continuously to make a difference and contribute to mankind. It really made us truly civilized, and throughout the coming days we are assembled to discuss and share our research work, and certainly we will make an enormous and enlightened input in the world of colon proctology. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Follow the same footsteps, and I hear that this meeting has been continued after a period of 3 year discontinuity. It's a great thing that you've been able to sustain the meeting and get it back to life. Well, at the end of my very brief speech, I wish you a very fruitful and a very fruitful meeting this year. Thank you very much for the invitation.
Thank you. Thanks. Thank you.